According to scientists' research, a gene was transferred from Denisovans to modern humans. Thanks to this gene, the Homo sapiens species can survive at high altitudes, where oxygen levels are 40% lower than sea level and harsh climatic conditions prevail.
Considering that the first humans were not as physically developed as Homo sapien, it is considered surprising that they adapted to harsh living conditions. The highest altitude found in previous studies was 2,000 meters, and it was thought that people only went to those areas at certain times and did not lead a settled life.
The fossil was examined and found to be from 160,000 years ago. Since the area where the fossil was found is in a plateau, it is estimated that they settled there.
However, since the cave was only 700 meters above sea level, research on the discovered gene was still ongoing. In 1980, a fossil found in a cave 3,280 meters above sea level in Tibet was identified as belonging to a species close to the Denisovan species.
The first trace of Denisovans was found in a cave in Siberia. DNA analysis of the bone and tooth remains was carried out, and it was determined that the fossils belonged to a different human species. The first discovery of a gene sensitive to oxygen deficiency was also made thanks to the remains found in this cave.
This species, which lived in ancient times and is one of the ancestors of the modern human species, is called Denisovan. Evidence has been found that Denisovans were able to settle and survive at high altitudes in Tibet. According to the study published in Nature, this new species lived in the highlands of Asia in ancient times, before human populations began to multiply.
Since oxygen is 40% less at high altitudes than at sea level, it is very difficult to survive in such places. So much so that climbers who go to Everest can return with serious illnesses after spending 10 days there. However, we have previously reported that a community called Sherpa living on the slopes of Everest has been able to survive with little oxygen for years and has even been the subject of research. According to their research, scientists thought that only Homo sapiens had the ability to survive in harsh climatic conditions. But according to a new study, early humans were also found to have settled at high altitudes.